How did you hear about Review Harvest in the first place? Where did you find us?
Well, there is a May Brigade office in New York in the White Plains area. Her name's
Yeah.
Robin Murphy. I was having trouble getting reviews. I mean, we had what I called my shameless request email that I would send to people and say, blah, 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 please go online and review, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
And I thought I was doing fairly well at it. And she told me about you guys. So I made that call, and we'd been hovering around, I don't know, 110 reviews or whatever it was. And all of a sudden we're up to like 185 in just a few short weeks. I was like, okay, I got it.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. What has your experience been? I know we've talked a little bit, but you mainly talked to Carly and stuff. But what has your experience been like working with us so far? What's kind of your favorite part of it?
Oh gosh, that's been great. Anytime I've ever had a question or anything, you guys have been right on it. Anything I needed help with, you've been right there. And really, there hasn't been much that I needed help with because it's all so automatic.
Yeah,
And that's the other thing I like about it, because when you're running a business like this, you don't have a whole lot of time. So that's made it really easy. So all I have to do is I come in and I pull it up. Oh, look, another review.
yep,
Oh, look, another 5-star review. So
for
yeah,
sure, for
it's been
sure.
great.
As business owners, we wear so many hats, right? We're wearing so many hats all the time. We're doing this, that, and the other. And so
Yeah.
when we can take just one small thing, one simple thing off a business owner's plate, there's nothing that makes us happier. That's coming home to the clean home for your clients, for us. Thanks so much for hopping on, Jay. You have an amazing rest of your day, and we will definitely be in touch.